Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok Shop to Printify. First things first, you're going to want to create your account on Printify as well as on TikTok Business first. Mind you that the account on TikTok Business is different from the one that you already have, meaning that you are not going to be able to use your personal account if you want to connect Printify unless you created a business account with your personal account. So all you have to do is go to TikTok Business and then you can start creating your account from there. You can start creating a new business account on TikTok or use your personal account as the base for your business account. After you're done with that, you're going to want to go to Printify. And usually when you start creating your Printify shop, you'll be able to create some stores. And this is my main store, which is Eyes of the Moon. And then I've connected my Printify to eBay. And in order to connect your TikTok shop to your Printify, you're going to want to click this Add New Store options. Here you'll be able to see a bunch of selections for the marketplace that we can connect to Printify. We got Etsy, we got Shopify, we got Printify Pop-Up, we got eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Walmart, PrestaShop, and then there's also some settings for the API. Because we're going to connect TikTok Shop into our Printify, we're going to go ahead and click this TikTok over here. Now we're going to want to create a new store on our Printify. Now this store is going to be the one specifically for TikTok. I already have two other stores. This one is the main Printify store. This one is the one for eBay, and now we're going to create another one for our TikTok store. So the one that I got on my TikTok store is named Just Another Shop, and I'm going to use the exact same name for this Printify one. So I'm going to go ahead and add Just Another Shop right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on connect. Now as I said before, you're going to have to create your TikTok shop account first, as well as the TikTok business account, which is basically the same thing. So after you created that, you can go ahead and click on this one and make sure that you also have edited the shipping options to seller shipping on TikTok shop. So I'm going to show you real quick. If you open TikTok business or TikTok seller center, you'll be able to see the shipping options. So here is how the dashboard of TikTok shop looks like. It might look a little bit different on your countries because I believe that each countries have different regulation and different rules when it comes to TikTok shop. This is the one that I got from my country, but the menu or the navigations menu on the left side of the screen are all basically similar. So you'll be able to find the shipping options right here, and you'll be able to settings your shipping through here. Make sure that you choose the shipping settings for the seller one. Here, make sure that you have selected the seller shipping, and once you're done, you can go ahead and take this. Then go ahead and click on connect. So you can see here, when it comes to connecting TikTok directly into your Printify, you actually need the TikTok US account. So apparently I can't do it here, but if you have a TikTok US, you can go ahead and connect your TikTok shop to your Printify directly through Printify. But if you're not from the US, don't worry. I'm going to show you another way in which you can connect TikTok shop to your Printify. The only difference is just that you're going to need a third parties for it. And the third parties that I'm going to be using today is going to be Shopify.com. Basically, Shopify is another platform that allows you to sell a lot of stuff, and you can connect a bunch of marketplace to this platform. So you can connect eBay, you can connect Amazon, you can connect Etsy, and many more. And if you would like to connect TikTok shop as well as Printify, all you have to do is go to their app stores right here. First things first, you want to go to TikTok. You want to search for TikTok apps. So you can go ahead and type in TikTok right here and then search it on the Shopify app store. There are going to be a lot of other apps that you can install with the name of TikTok, but this is the one that you're going to want to add into your Shopify. If you haven't installed it yet, this button right here will say install, so you can go ahead and click on install and then connect your TikTok through there. And besides connecting your TikTok, you're going to want to also connect your Printify through here. So same things, type in Printify. And this is the apps. I already have this apps connected into my Shopify. And through here, you'll be able to see the exact same dashboard on Printify. The exact same dashboard of Printify like the one that you'll be able to see on here. So I'm just going to go back to my main account real quick and let's see how the dashboard looks like. You can see that this is how the overall dashboard looks like. And here on Shopify, you will get the exact same dashboard. You can do the exact same thing just like how you would do it on Printify. You can design your product and then put it into your listing. So I already created one over here. I'm just going to show it real quick. I got this t-shirt as well as this hoodie right here. I designed some cat hoodie through Printify and put it as one of my listing on my Shopify. And once you do that, you'll be able to also connect this listing into your TikTok shop. So I'm going to go to my TikTok apps. You can do that by going to this app sections right here, and I'm going to type in TikTok, just this one's right here. And here you'll be able to see all of the settings for your TikTok shop. So once you tried to connect your TikTok to your Shopify, your account will be under reviewed for around 24 hours or so. So make sure to check it every once in a while. But basically through here, you'll be able to set up your TikTok marketing, which means that you'll be able to create campaigns, some ads, and any other marketing tools in order to help you to promote your product that you can sell from Printify to your TikTok shop. So again, basically you're going to want to create a product from Printify and then put it on your listing and manage it on your TikTok. So on settings part right here, you'll be able to settings your ads manager account, your payment method, your targeting location, as well as the product catalog. So you can add your listings through this product catalogs right here, and then the product is going to be shown on your TikTok. So I'm just going to show you how to add a product from Printify to Shopify real quick. I'm going to go back to my Printify account. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to find a bunch of things that you can design. I'm just going to choose one randomly for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to choose this mug right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and start designing. So just like how you would do it on Printify in general, you can go ahead and design your stuff. Here, I'm just going to try and use an AI image for my design. And these are the style selections that I can choose. Let's say that I want to choose this fantasy art one, and then let's say it's just going to be a bunch of bubbles on a lilac field. Totally random, but we'll just see how it will looks like. So we're going to go ahead and generate it and wait until the image is created. So here how it looks like. I think I'm going to choose this one's for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click it and put it into my pictures. And I know that I have the options to enlarge it so that it's going to envelope the whole mug. I'm just going to put it in the middle here for now, and then go ahead and click on Save Product. And as usual, you'll be able to see the mock-up of the product so that you know how it will looks like in real life. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and publish this product. You'll be able to edit the description, the text, etc. on the product sections right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish it for now. Alright, once it's published, I'm going to go ahead and go to my product sections and see if it's there. So here you can see that I got the ceramic mug inserted into my listing. And you can see that here in the publishing sections, you can go ahead and click on this manage sales channel, and you can choose to add this specific product on your TikTok. So go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and click on done. And don't forget to save the changes every time. And now you got your product from Printify inserted into your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect your TikTok shop to Printify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.